Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to resize a photo for a YouTube thumbnail. If you're getting the 2 MB error while uploading a thumbnail to YouTube Studio, it means your file size is too large. There are 2 ways to fix this. First, you can reduce the resolution of the thumbnail to make it smaller. Second, you can save the thumbnail in a different format that stores the image more efficiently. If you use Photoshop or a similar tool, you can do this within the software. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can use GIMP, a free tool available for both Mac and Windows. You can download it from gimp.org. After installing and opening GIMP, load your thumbnail by clicking File and then Open. Locate your thumbnail on your computer. In this example, the file is a PNG and is around 20 megabytes. If a prompt asks to convert the color space, select Convert. To resize the image, click Image and then Scale Image. Make sure the resolution is set to 1920 x 1080 pixels, which is the ideal size for YouTube thumbnails. If the width is 1920 and height is 1080, leave it as is and click Scale. If the resolution is different, resize it accordingly. Now, to save the image in a format that reduces the file size, click on File and then Export As. Choose a name for the new file, and you can also change the folder if needed. At the bottom of this dialog, select File Type and pick JPEG. YouTube supports 3 file formats: JPEG, GIF, and PNG. JPEG is the best option because it can compress the image without losing too much quality, and it helps keep the file size under 2 megabytes. After selecting JPEG, click Export. A new dialog will appear asking for the quality. Set it to around 90. Higher quality means a larger file, but 90 is usually a good balance between quality and size. Leave the rest of the settings as they are and click Export again. In this example, the original file was 20 megabytes, and after resizing and saving as a JPEG, it is now less than 1 megabyte. This is well within YouTube's 2 megabyte limit. Now you can upload your thumbnail to YouTube without any issues. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.